All right, today we are logging into our SmartMusic account. So perhaps you remember, perhaps you don't. But the first thing you want to do is go to their website. So smartmusic.com. I go there all the time, so it auto-fills. Boom, it returned. And here's our SmartMusic home screen. What we want to do is log in. We always want to do new SmartMusic. Definitely new SmartMusic. This is web-based. And you will want to enter your school email. So I use my personal account because this is my student account. My administrator account is my school email, so I'd use a separate one. So this is your school email. If you remember your username, you can do it. I actually remembered mine. It was Lady Gaga 2020. So, but your school email definitely works. Either one works. Put in your password, and we're going to log in. All right, and then you will see the class that you're enrolled in. So if you're in 6th grade band, Blue Day band, you're here. If you're in middle school symphonic band, 7th and 8th grade, you're here. I'm in both classes, so I can be a student in both. And this is your home screen. So let's take a look here. So I can search for music here. We've got new releases. Probably won't use that too much. But two things that you're going to need here at the beginning. Method books, where you can access any of many hundreds of method books here. A method book is like just a book like your Essential Elements book. And then My Method book. So here is where I want you to go today. You're going to click here, and it's going to ask you your instrument, so confirm that. Movement is the exercise you want to do. So depending on your level, obviously the higher numbers are the harder exercises. I always love 150. Theme from Surprise Symphony. So I'm going to click there and open. And here we go. It's going to open up my title. Yay. All right. And then I'm going to get into more on how to use SmartMusic in another video. This is more about logging in. So now I can practice this. I can quick jump to another one from here. If I look at that and it's like, whoa, that's too hard. Let me back it up a little bit. What's another good one here? Yeah, I'll do the Night's a nice one. This one's dotted quarter notes. So I could play that one. All right, cool. There we go. All right, and then you can always get back to your home screen by clicking on the house. Okay, so I am going to log out because what do you do if you can't remember your password? Oh no. Okay, so I enter my school email. And then you're just going to, actually, you don't have to enter your school email. Just click here on Forgot Password, and it's going to ask you for your email or username. So enter your school email right here. I'm going to impersonate Nate. 27, I think, is your year. I could be wrong. And you're just going to click Reset Password. And I'm not going to do it. That would reset his password. But it will then come up with a message that, all right, we have emailed you a link to reset your password. So then you go to your Gmail account, and this is my Gmail. Woohoo, get to see that. But then you'll have a little email from SmartMusic that says, click here to reset your password. So you'll open that email, click there, and it will then ask you to put in a new password. Be sure you write that down or note it somewhere. So that you don't have to forget your password every time. And then voila, you're back on your home screen. So I believe that should get you in. Let me know if you have any questions.